the real cost to build a house, concrete house, cheap. So after you locate a decent piece of land, buy your material, your sand, your gravel, your cement, your steel, your lumber, gather all your best workmen to do the job. It is no time to approach your building with the cheapest way. So this is a flat piece of land, which is the easiest approach to build any house. If it's a hillside, it will be more difficult because you have to build and try to level up the land. So this is a flat piece of land, which is the easiest approach. And this land is not sandy, so it makes it much easier to do the job as well. So as you can see, this is a steel work properly put together, and we have drums and container with water for backup plan, and everything is on site. So the building of your house begins where we will do mixing of concrete to do your foundation or footing, the footing of the building. And this call for accuracy, proper material mixing, professional workman, reliable workman. So I'm just giving some tips here on how you can approach to build your house easy and less expensive. So if you think this video is educational or interested, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. I'm just giving an insight of how you can approach and do your building. Leave your comments, leave your thoughts. Just let me know, so you can continue to watch this video to see what's really taking place here. Did you know the easiest way to apply for a house in Jamaica is through NHT? NHT is the National Housing Trust. The NHT was established in 1976. So these people have a lot of experience how to deal with house, mortgage and all of these things. I don't know much about the NHT, but I know if you're working and you throw your contribution or whatever you call it with NHT, over a period of time you're eligible to get NHT loan or whatever they call it. As I say, I don't know much about the NHT, but it's one of the easiest way to own or build your house or repair your house in Jamaica. So yeah, so it is very simple and easy to build a house. It all starts from dream, and then after your dream you put your dream to reality. So your dream, what your house would look like, where would you like to live, and you don't save, because without savings this thing is not possible. So you save and dream, and just put your dream into reality. That's the way to build a house. And if you work hard and serious and save, it will happen. If you work and party a lot and don't save, it won't happen. So in this life, some people make things look easy and some people it's very difficult. It all depends on the mindset. So I'm just giving some ideas here, you know, because you know everybody would like a house, but many people will not want a house because the mindset what they have, you know, they don't want to save. They work, but they're not saving. They want to party, so they might have fun. But learn this for me, and this is what I know. If you have fun now, they have to record later. And if you save hard now and do something, then you can party. You know, so it's all up to the individual, what they want, and if they're willing to sacrifice to get what they want. But it's all about you start from dreaming. And nowadays, the dreaming even can do better because you can dream about something, you say to somebody and then draw a 3D plan for a small fee. And that 3D plan would give you an idea of what your house look like in real time. I have many videos with 3D plans show you how you draw and color your house and things. So it's a matter of time. There's a lot of ways you can do things and elevate yourself and build a dream house. Start from a dream. This video is educational or interesting, please remember to leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. This is what I do, just give some insight and some ideas on what I know. I don't know all, but I know a lot. So until then, see you in my next video, but you can continue watch. I'm out.